Generosity is part of our faith, and so it's an ethical principle for all of us, whether you're Shia or Sunni or whatever it may be.
The Imam of the Ismaili Jamaat always focuses on generosity. But is it important in all other religions? Let's, with reference, find out what other religions say about it. This video is about our Imam versus all major world faiths on the topic of generosity. In Islam, generosity is a sign of true faith. In the Quran, it is mentioned, "You will never attain righteousness until you give from that which you love." In Islam, especially in the Ismaili interpretation, giving is a way to purify the soul, whether it's money, food, or even a kind word. In Christianity, generosity is a way to mirror God's love. Christians believe that giving reflects the heart and soul. In Luke, it is mentioned, "Give, and it will be given to you, or with the measure you use, it will be measured to you." In Proverbs, it is stated, "A generous person will be blessed, for he shares his food with the poor." This shows that generosity exists in all religions. It is also important in Hinduism. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is mentioned, "Charity given at the proper place and time to a worthy person without expectation of return is considered to be in the mode of goodness." In Buddhism, generosity is about how purely and silently you give. That's the core teaching. In the Dhammapada, it is mentioned, "The wise man rejoices in giving, and through generosity becomes free from hatred and sorrow." So no matter the faith, one truth remains: real faith gives, real hearts share. And as our Imam reminds us, generosity is not just an act, it's a way of life. As one united Jamaat, we the Shia Imami Ismaili Muslims not only speak of generosity, we live it. Across the world, millions recognize the Ismaili community for its commitment, service, and loyalty. We pray that our Imam continues to guide us, as he always has, and we pledge to follow his vision to help make this world a better place for all.